food coloring, yeast, dish soap, Elmeyer flask with hydrogen peroxide in it, and warm water.
And don't forget your goggles!
Now we're gonna start the experiment. So first, we're gonna get our dish soap and mix it in with the hydrogen peroxide.
Yeah.
But when you mix it, make sure you swirl it like in a circle. Like mix it in a circle.
Like a circular motion. Okay, that's it.
Okay, so now mix it in.
Circular.
Now, you have to mix it just like we were doing.
In a circular motion like this. Okay. Okay, now.
That's enough.
Yeah. Now we're gonna add our food coloring.
And make sure you add just a few drops. So 1, 2,
Here.
3.
Uh-oh. My one count.
And then the next color.
2. I'm gonna put 2 of everything. So I'm gonna put 2 of that.
Okay, now that's good.
Wait, I need one more. Okay. Actually, no. Now we're gonna add a little bit of warm water to the yeast. So, just enough to dissolve it. Just a little. No. Your turn. I'll tell you when to stop. That's enough. Then now we're gonna stir it.
Mix.
In a circular motion.
Mix it.
Okay.
Okay, that's mixed.
Now finally guys, for the big reveal. Now we're gonna pour the yeast
Mix
in
with warm water.
Yep, into our mixture. Ready, set, go. Stand back. Stand back.
Stand back.
Oh, it's about to blow up.
It's about to blow.
Oh, I see it.
Oh! Elephant toothpaste! This is so cool.
Ooh, I'm gonna touch it.
Is it good?
Let's not touch it.
It's burning hot. I'm joking, it's not hot, but I can feel it on my goggles. This is so cool. This is a very cool experiment. It looks like I can actually brush my teeth with it.
Yeah, it actually looks like real toothpaste. Because mine has like a line through it.
Guys, this is a very cool experiment that we did. It's really fun. You guys should try this at home. Wow, this is hot. It's hot because of like I think because of the warm water, I'm not sure. But it's very fun.
Or
it's very
because
good.
of the yeast. We don't know.
Whoa, guys, this is cool. But make sure you guys like and subscribe with the notification bell to know whenever we post a new video. Bye!